welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a nice cool toned gray eyeshadow look. And I'm going to be using the Kaleidos palette. I'm not sure which one this is called, but it will be in the description box for you guys. But it's like a little 4 eyeshadow palette with 1 shimmer, 3 mattes. I'm not sure if I'm going to go all the way black because I don't know if I want it to look that dark, but I'm gonna start off with, I think I'm gonna start, I feel like, should I start with that color? I don't know. Yeah, sure. I'll start with the lightest color. So this is gonna be that one. I'm gonna apply this light gray color with the Morphe R37 brush. I'm just gonna grab that on my brush. If you guys wanna see my base tutorial, you should have already watched it. It's already up and loaded. I'm gonna take this gray color and I'm just gonna plop it on my lid. My lid is already set with the Benefit Boing Kinkless Concealer and the charlottetilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And I'm just gonna put this right on top. And this is so pigmented. I love Kaleidos. And I wanted to do a really cool toned look with a silver kind of like graphic liner look, and you guys have seen me do a graphic liner look with silver, but it was more so with a warm tone eyeshadow look. So I was like, okay, I need to do it with a cool tone one next. And I thought of this palette instantly just because it's cool toned, obviously, and it's just such a beautiful palette. So just taking this color in my lid and blending it out. I'm going to take a different blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges with the charlottetilbury powder since that's what I have on the lids already, just to kind of blur the edges of this gray eyeshadow. And then going back with that first gray color and continuing to blend it through. Next, I'm going to take this darker gray color in the palette, using the same Morphe brush, and I'm going to add this right in the crease, and we're just going to deepen the look a little bit more, add some dimension to it. Next, I'm going to take Anastasiabeverlyhills eye primer, and I'm going to use this to do kind of like a halo eye, and I'm going to put this right in the center of my eyes. And then I'm going to grab the brush that I use all of the matte shadows with, and I'm going to just go in and blur the edges of this with no extra product. And now I'm going to take the shimmer in this palette, which is such a pretty color. I'm going to take that on a IT Cosmetics number 27 brush, and I'm going to place this right on top of the Anastasia eye primer. Loving it so far, and now I'm going to put all those matte shades underneath my eyes here. So I'm going to start off with that lightest gray color, and I'm going to use a Live Glam number 108 brush to apply it. Just going to add it right underneath. Next, I'm going to add that darker gray and add it right underneath here as well. Next, for the inner corner, since this palette doesn't have anything bright, I'm going to be using this MAC Cosmetics Trompe l'Eau eyeshadow, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to take this on a Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to add that right in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to use this Kylie Jenner Matte Nude Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Next, I'm going to take this Anastasia liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a little quick line across my lid. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that black eyeshadow just to blend it into the rest of the shadows. And now I'm going to do a little bit of graphic liner using the NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner in the color Silver Metal. Next, I'm going to go in with moiracosmetics Glitter Liner in the color Silver Charm. And I'm going to put this right on top of the graphic liner that I put on with the silver, just because it's going to help make it pop even more, being that it's going to look glittery. And it's just such a good combination. I love it so much. I'm gonna add some gems and lashes and mascara, and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished eye look. I really love how it came out. Today for lashes, I used the Kiss Masterpiece Lash in the style, let's see, the style Prêt-à-porter, I think it's called, Prêt-à-porter. And then I used some gems from Half Magic, and I'm just in love, guys. I love this cool tone look. I'm sleeping on cool tone looks. I've been such like a warm girl, but this one is just hitting exactly how it needs to hit, and it's giving me like outer space xenon vibes, but I really love how it came out. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!